What if I told you there are tools that can write essays, create studying artworks, and even help you design graphics, all powered by AI? Well, I recommend beginner who just curious. Today, I'll show you the top 3 AI tools you need to know about. If you're hesitant to explore the world of AI, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. The first tool on our list is ChatGPT. Think of ChatGPT as a personal assistant that can write, brainstorm, or even solve your own complex topics. How it works: you separate type of question or your request, and ChatGPT provides detailed human-like response. What is so great is big enough, friendly, and completely free to try. Just head to OpenAI's website to get started.
The second tool on our list is DALL-E. DALL-E is a tool that turns text into stunning, unique images. Imagine describing an idea and watching AI create it for you. How it works: for example, you could type a futuristic city at sunset and it will create artwork in seconds. Why is great? No artistic skills needed, making it perfect for content creators or students working on creative projects. Third tool on our list is Canva AI. Finally, let's talk about Canva AI features. Canva is already popular for design, but now it is powered by AI. How it works: its magic write features can help with captions, and the AI design suggestion make creating graphics effortless. Why it is great? It is ideal for beginners and professionals alike, especially if you want fast and polished results.